Day 3. What we're going to try and do is we're going to clean up a little bit more here. While Jim's doing that, I'm going to try and start mounting the fender. Absolutely nothing lines up on this bike because it's probably not meant for any of the stuff that we're doing. But we're going to make it work. So let's rock. All right, what I'm gonna do is try and fit this fender. Are you done up there?
Until you throw some weld on it. I mean, the top.
You want to bring the welder over and I'll do that?
Yeah, I mean, right here.
Yeah, you got this a little bit, but yeah.
Yeah,
let me weld that. You want to cut this fender for me real quick?
Yeah.
We'll put this fender. Let's see if we can squeeze it in there. Right here, Jim. Yeah. What do I think of the cut?
Yeah, I mean, it fits. It's awful wide up.
Is the other side have the more rounded edge?
No, this is the round. This is the.
Oh, this is the one. Okay, yeah.
It's so wide on the tire.
There's two things. It's wide on the tire, but everything else is wide.
I know.
I kind of like the narrower tire,
Right.
but I'm not so sure.
When you look at it from the back, it doesn't. It looks so.
Like if you lay the Sportster tank on there, just sit it on there.
Right. I mean, the tank definitely helps a lot. I'll be right up there.
So if you look from the back here, it kind of goes with it. But if you want to try and grab, that's the fender I like. But this fender's really narrow, but I really like this fender. You know, I don't have to cut all that shit out of here. But I don't know.
And it hugs the tire.
Yeah, it's a definitely a nicer looking fender. You know what I'm saying? Come on, stay there. I mean, it's going to be a lot shorter.
Oh, yeah.
I guess the question is, though, how does it...
Looks.
You know what? It looks okay. I got to see for this. It's pretty big.
Oh, yeah?
You got tape there? I think it's 13 inches. I think it's 13. That might be too big, you know?
Well, remember that one that was on there was sticking over the sides of this.
Big.
Yeah, it was massive. But this looks, the other fender just got so much empty space on the left and the right.
It's more chopperish. It's more everything it's got. You'll see all the tire.
Yeah, it hugs the tire.
This is not too bad. This is like, that's 5. This is 6, I think. Right? This is, yeah, this is 6. It's a 6-inch fender if you measure from the other side. Let's go with this fender.
I think it looks.
Skewer, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think that'll look cool.
So here's what I'm thinking. This is a freaking mess here, right?
Right.
So what I'm thinking about doing is, then we can get a mount too. So I'm thinking about putting a plate in here. Like maybe a plate to come here and down a little bit.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? And that'll cover all this crap. And then we could put a mount in here for the fender.
That's a good idea.
Does that make sense?
It does.
3 inches, right? So maybe if we'll get this off, right?
Right.
Which I don't know what the
We
fuck.
started cutting through that.
We don't need that.
Nah.
So we already, that's good because we have 3-inch plate that we bought. Let's cut a piece of plate. We have the 3-inch.
Mm-hmm.
Let's cut it 14 inches, 14 and a quarter.
Okay.
Let's cut that first and see what it looks like. Like 4-inch might be the ticket, you know, which is here, right about here,
Okay.
right? That might look cleaner. You think?
Well, look, it's awkward, yeah.
This looks awkward. Do we have a piece of 4-inch?
Okay.
I don't think so neither. So I'm saying put a plate like
here.
well, I wouldn't, I would go like down here a little bit, you know?
Right.
And then put the plate so we don't have to fill in that. You follow what I'm saying?
I do, yep.
So if you cut a piece 4 inches by, I don't know, what do you need here? Maybe an inch, right? Yeah?
Yeah, that'll work.
And see what that looks like. Clean that so we can weld to it.
Yeah.
You follow what I'm saying?
Yep.
All right, let's do that.
So yours is in that round, so it's sticking out. Mine is too. That's not bad.
We'll round the corners off a little bit, weld it and round it, you know what I mean?
Right.
Yeah, I mean, there wasn't really much more you could have done with that. I don't know what we're gonna do with this. If we have to cut it off, we cut it off. It's not gonna be no big deal.
It'd be great if the springs
If we can do
pointed
that,
on that, you know?
I doubt it, but, or I may just leave them there, I don't know yet. But I'm happy with that. I'm not so sure if I wanna do anything back here. This is what I ordered.
Is it?
I don't think it's bad to you.
No, it's not bad at all.
No. That's made to, I think the solo seat. Put the solo seat back on there again.
And which tank did you want to go? The long one or the fat?
I think we decided the fat one, did we,
Yeah, it's
Jim?
got the fuel injection already cut out.
Yeah. You got that?
People pay extra for those retractable fenders.
That's it. Hold on. We might be able to make this work too. I mean, let's look at it in the morning. Starting to get burnt, you.
Yeah.
So I think we got a little bit further. There's not a little bit more, but a lot more work than I thought. Not familiar with these frames, not familiar with anything on this bike, but I think we can make that tank work and this fender work, and you know, we'll put this plate in here to cover up some sin. I think we got probably another day, maybe 2 days, probably more like 2 days to get this ready for paint. Yeah, you guys picked this type of bike because you know the challenge. You know that I would have a hard time with it. If it was a custom frame or even a Harley, we would have been done by now. But beware. So subscribe, like, comment, peace out.